Good morning, my dear children. This is Tarangani. Welcome back to Max class. Children, let us start today's session. Children, now see this question. Children, name the shapes, count and write the edges, faces, and vertices of these shapes. They given some shapes. We have to write how many edges it have, how many faces it have, how many vertices it have. Okay. Now we'll count. What is the shape, children? This is cube. That's why writing name here. Cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Okay. Next, how many edges cube have? E for edges. Okay, E for edges. See, E for edges, F for faces, V for vertices. Okay. So edges. How many edges this cube have, children? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. So we are writing 12 here. Cube has 12 edges. Next, how many faces this cube has, children? 1. Left side, right side, front, back, bottom, top. So total 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 faces cube has. That's why we are writing 6 here. Okay. Now, how many vertices? V for vertices. How many vertices this cube has, children? Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 vertices cube has. Already explained about edges, faces, and vertices. Just recollect all the points what I said before in previous videos. Okay. Now counted already 12 lines. Edges means nothing but lines. Okay. So 12 lines. Faces, left face, back face, right side face, front face, back face, bottom face, top face. 6 faces. Vertices, 2 edges or 2 lines meeting place is a corner. I said already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 vertices cube has. So in this way we have to complete remaining all the shapes also. Okay, children. Children, now we have to write this shape name. How many edges it have, how many vertices it have, sorry, how many faces it have, how many vertices it have. Okay, what is the shape, children? Cuboid. What is the shape? Cuboid. Okay, matchbox is example for cuboid shape. So we are writing this shape name as cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Okay. Next, E for edges. How many edges this cuboid have, children? How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 edges cuboid has. That's why we're writing 12 here. Next, how many faces cuboid has, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 faces cuboid has. Right side face, left side face, front face, back face, bottom face, upper face. Total 6 faces cuboid has. That's why we're writing 6 here. Next, how many? V for vertices. How many vertices cuboid has, children? Vertices means 2 lines meeting place. Vertex means, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 vertices cuboid has. That's why you're writing 8 here. Okay, children. Children, now we have to write the shape name. How many edges it have? How many faces it have? How many vertices it have? Okay, children. Now, what is the shape, children? What is the shape? Cylinder. So we are writing cylinder here. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Now, E for edges. How many edges cylinder has, children? Cylinder has 2 edges. One, this is curved edge. This is one curved edge. 2 edges are there. That's why we're writing 2 here. Okay, 2 edges. Cylinder has 2 edges. That's why we're writing 2 here. Now we have to count how many faces cylinder has. This is one face. This is one face. This is one face. Okay, 3 faces. See, face, curved face, face. Okay, we can call a flat face or circular face also we can call. So 1, 2, 3. So cylinder has 3 faces. That's why we're writing 3 here. Okay, next V for vertices. So we have to write how many vertices cylinder has. Cylinder have edges. Cylinder have edges, 2 curved edges, but these 2 edges are not meeting. What I'm saying? What is a vertex, children? 2 edges meeting place, but edges are there, they both are not meeting, so there is no corner point. That's why vertices 0 for cylinder. Vertices 0 for cylinder. Now see, name cylinder, edges 1, 2, faces 1, 2, 3, vertices 0 because edges are there, curved edges are there, but they both are not meeting, so no vertices, 0 vertices. Did you understand, children, what I'm saying? Okay. Children, now you say what is the shape? This is cone. So we have to write the shape name. First we have to write the shape name, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Okay, children? Now E for edges, F for faces, V for vertices. Now we have to write how many edges, how many faces, how many vertices this cone has. Okay? Now we have to count how many edges this cone have, children. Only one edge. That is also one curved edge. Cone has only one curved edge. See this edge. This is edge, you know, this line. This curved edge line. This is curved edge. Cone has only one curved edge. That's why we are writing 1 here. Next, how many faces cone have? How many faces cone have? See, cone have 2 faces. One curved face, one flat face. This is curved face. This is flat face. So cone has 2 faces. 1, 2. That's why we are writing 2 here. Now we have to write vertices. So have to count vertices. Cone has only one curved edge. What I'm saying, what is a vertex? 2 edges meeting place. But here in cone we have only one edge. But the point where the surface of the cone ends, here the surface, curved surface is there na, surface is there na, where the point, where the surface of the cone ends is called the vertex of the cone. This is the vertex of the cone. Curved surface ending point is there na. This point we are calling as vertex. So cone has only one vertex. This one, this point. This point we are calling as vertex. Okay. So cone has only one vertex. Okay, children. Children, now you say what is this shape, children? This is sphere. So we have to write the shape name, how many edges, E for edges, V for F for faces, V for vertices. We have to write the shape name, how many edges it have, how many faces it have, how many vertices it have. Okay, children. First write what is the shape name? Sphere. Write the sphere spelling, children. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay. Next, how many if edges sphere have, children? Is there any edge? Is there any line? No. So in sphere have no edges. That's why we are writing 0. Sphere has no edges. Yes or no? No lines. What is edge, children? First we say what is the edge? Say the answer. What is the edge? A line where 2 faces meet. Is it not? Is it correct only? A line where 2 faces meet. But sphere have only one curved face. 2 faces meeting place. That is the edge. But in sphere only one face. So no meeting place, no edge or no line. So sphere has 0 edges. That's why we are writing 0. Now we have to write how many faces sphere has. Sphere has only one curved surface. Okay, sphere has only one curved surface or curved face. So we are writing 1 here. This is curved face na? Yeah, curved surface. So we are writing sphere has only one face. That's why we are writing 1 here. Next, how many vertices this sphere has, children? Vertices means vertex is a corner where 2 or more edges meet with each other. Yes or no? But here no edges. That's why no meeting place, no meeting point. 2 edges meeting point is a corner or vertex na, but in sphere no edges, so that's why vertex is also not there. That's why we are writing vertices, 0 vertices. We have 0 vertices, no vertices. Okay, no edges, no vertices, only one face we have. Okay, children? Children, now I'll give you one assignment. This is today's assignment. Okay, brain teachers. I'll give some questions here. You have to write the answers. Okay, first you read the following riddles and write its name in the given space. I have one face. I have 0 edges. I have 0 vertex. Who am I? You should write that shape name. One face, 0 edges, 0 vertex. Who am I? What is that? You should write this question, this riddle, and you have to write the answer here. Next, I have 6 faces. I have 12 edges. I have 8 vertices. Who am I? Have to write the answer here. You have to write this question, then you have to write answer here. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Who am I? So you have to remember that shape name. You have to write that shape name here. Okay, children. Next one. I have 2 faces. I have 1 edge. I have 1 vertex. Who am I? 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 vertex. Remember that shape, children. Remember that shape name and write that shape name here. Okay, children. Next, I have 3 faces. I have 2 edges. I have 0 vertex. Did you understand? I have 3 faces. I have 2 edges. I have 0 vertex. Who am I? Think 3 faces, 2 edges, 0 vertex. What is that shape, children? Yeah, remember that shape name and write that shape name here. Okay, this is the assignment I am giving to you. Write the questions neatly and write the answers. Write these riddles neatly and write the answers here and send. Okay, thank you, children.